This is one amazing keyboard. I got this product to review, and this keyboard is so snappy, it's so responsive, and you can easily switch on the fly between Bluetooth and wired. This has a 4,000 milliamp battery on this, so this will last a long time. My favorite thing about this keyboard is the responsiveness to all of it. It's designed so it has that clicky sensation. Feedback of when you're typing is so responsive. The keys bounce right back, and it really has that appealing typing sound while you're using this. Another feature that I love about this is how heavy this is. This keyboard is designed to actually stay in place, so that way it won't go sliding. So if you're playing a game, this keyboard isn't going to slide around as you're playing and while you're typing. Change the modes on this. You do have access here on the back. You have the little switch here that goes left and right to swap it from your functions. If I was to put this on Bluetooth, you'll see the keyboard will light up. And then to change it between your 5 different settings, you just hit function 1. So this works on both Windows and Mac. Also, you can use it on your cell phone or on your laptop. This has a dedicated spot, so that way you can't lose it. And it's magnetic, so it just clicks right in here. Now, if I was to go ahead and put this right in my PC, plug it right in, and then I'll be able to type pretty quickly. I've used this while gaming, and I haven't noticed a lot of lag time or anything like that while using the dongle with it. But if you do want to use wired, you can just plug this right in to the USB-C port right here in the back, switch it to wired, and then you're good to go. This also has its own dedicated software, so you can create your own macros and change each key function. Additionally, this is how you're going to change all the color combinations really easily and really quickly. And it looks even better with the lights off. So if you're looking for a functional, responsive, and feel-good keyboard that you can use while gaming or during work, I would definitely say check this out. This is one of the best keyboards that I've actually used, and it's just so functional, and I know that I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. So I would definitely say check this out.